beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Asineke. So today I'm going to share with you how I achieve this lovely gorgeous. Is this my hair? Yeah, this is my natural hair. Can you see that? No, I was only joking. This is not my natural hair. I'll be sharing with you how I achieve this lovely gorgeous DIY headband natural hair wig using Afro kinky. So I cut the hair into 4. I cut one of the kinky hair into 4. Crocheting, I not only once, yes. Make sure you space your hand at the middle when you're crocheting. You must not crochet all the holes. It's not possible for you to do that, or else the hair will be shapeless. I hope you are still watching to this stage. Keep on watching. Get to the front part. Make sure you crochet very close to each other. Can you see? It won't make any place show at the front. This is what I'm talking about. Can you see that? Make sure you crochet very close to each other. If you want me to achieve another color of this kinky hair in headband, comment down below. Let me know if you want to see this in another color. I did not even finish one pack of this kinky hair. I didn't finish one. Do not over trim when you want to trim this hair. Make sure you put it on your head before you trim. Sorry, make sure you put it on your head before you trim. Thing you're going to be using to mold down the hair to your desired shape is only water and this olive oil sheen. This is not my first time of talking about this sheen oil sheen, sorry, I said sheen, this oil sheen on my channel. This is not my first time. I can't do without using this oil sheen for my hair. So spray with water, then oil sheen, then you're going to use your hand to mold it down on your hair. I hope you grab that.